So this is the amount of money that I've got last week with the help of this strategy. It's a work strategy, but it's easy as hell, guys. So hit that subscribe button and let's go and do it. This method will work all around the world. If you live in Africa, in Asia, wherever you want to live, guys, this method will work and it will get you a lot of money, guys. So firstly, as I've said, you can use Google Translate, okay? So this is going to help us in order to make us a lot of money. Now, it's going to be very easy. You can just go to Google Translate and you know what this does. It translates any language from English to Spanish, for example. You can do whatever you want. There are a lot of these languages, as you can see. Any language on the world you can translate from or to. This is very easy. And of course, it is very profitable, guys. A lot of money is hidden here. So let's see how it's done. Now, firstly, we have first website here, which is called Lation.org. And this is a website where you can work as a freelancer and you will get a lot of money here, guys. There is a lot of money on Lation if you just apply yourself and just take a look at this. Crypto and USD payments are available on this website. So you can choose for yourself. If you want to get some crypto, you can get that as well. But of course, for that, you will need a wallet for yourself, and for USD payments, you will need a PayPal account. And you can see here that apart from these Google Translate tricks that I'm about to show you, you have these like micro tasks. So you can just complete surveys or do some app testing, some app downloads, and you can get the money with that, of course. And there's a lot of money in both of these strategies. So let's start. Now, I've told you that you can get crypto for yourself. But of course, you will need a wallet for yourself, such as this Coinbase wallet, or maybe this Binance wallet, or maybe you can use this Coinomi wallet, which is really good. You can get it on the App Store and on Google Play as well. So whichever one of these you use, you can get it. You can see that it has a lot of downloads online and you can get really good wallet and you have good ratings here. So this only speaks for itself. On the App Store as well, you can see that it is rated even better here on the App Store, 4.6 out of 5, and that's a good wallet, guys. So head over to coinomi.com, get this wallet for yourself, and let's start getting that money. Now, just imagine if you just make this strategy work, guys. You could get like $1, $2, $3, $4, even $500 for yourself each week. And all that you have to do is you have to click on this button, I want to work. Okay, so just click that, enter in your email address in this box, and then continue. You're one step closer to money now. Now, when you come inside, you will see that, for example, you can go on browse section over here and you just have to click on projects for bid. Okay, so now you have to click on this translation and languages. You can see that there is 127 projects, and for example, this one, translation from English to Portuguese, you can get $25 worth of Bitcoin. But of course, if you just get paid in Bitcoin, and you can see that there are different payments here. Someone is paying in US dollars, someone is paying in ETH, and someone is paying in Bitcoins. But whichever one of these you choose, whichever one you get, you can go to your wallet here on Lation.org and you can just transfer that currency into any other. Okay, so if you, for example, get paid in Bitcoin, you will go and just click on this button, transfer. Okay, so this is gonna transfer your money to US dollars and vice versa. Whichever one of these currencies you get, guys, you can transfer that really easily by using this inbuilt wallet. So basically, you can do whatever you want with that hard-earned money. Now, the process is really simple here. You could just go and you will just take one of these jobs, okay? You can see that there are some proofreading and editing jobs as well. But of course, what people are gonna do for you here, you will just, for example, go and you will translate a document from Italian to English, and you will get $100 for it on this one. Okay, so you can see here that this document has about 15,000 words. You will just get the document, you will go on Google Translate, and you will just go from Italian to English, okay? Now hit that subscribe button if you enjoy our videos. Thank you. So what you want to do, guys, is you want to paste that text, but of course, firstly, you have to select Italian here. So that's what this client wants. You just go and select Italian, and here you select English, and whatever you type in here or paste, it's gonna go and it's gonna make you money. And it's gonna make you a lot of money if if you just invest your time in it. The more time you invest in searching these products, these posts, these jobs, the more money you will get, guys. And you can do this for as much as you want until you are satisfied with the amount of money that you get. You can work on this until tomorrow. Really, it's a really good money, guys. You can get a lot of money. There is a lot of work on this website, so that just means that you can get really profitable here. But apart from those jobs, I told you that there are some micro tasks which you can do here on Lation because it's such a good website, guys. For example, you can just go on projects for bid and you can go on this section which is called other, okay? So there are various jobs here. So for example, you can just post some ads on Facebook and you will get $25 for that. You can be virtual assistant. So basically, you can work for your money on this website, but of course, there are really easy jobs here. For example, just take a look at this job. I have found this job here on Lation, and it's such an easy job, guys, and it pays a lot of money. So this guy needs someone to type a letter on a keyboard, okay? So he will gonna pay you $100 in Bitcoin if you just type out his letter. Now, if you know how to type on a keyboard, well, this is a special job for you. I know how to type on a keyboard, and I can do this as well, guys. So I don't know what's stopping you. $100 just for typing on a letter. You just have to type it out, get it to this person, and the money is yours. And there are really a lot of jobs on this website, guys, such as this one. Just take a look at this one. Home automation app, simple login. So all that you will have to do on this job is you have to log in on a simple app, simple login. You will test this out a bit for this person, and you will get $15. He's going to pay you in Litecoin. But of course, guys, as I've said, you go to my wallet and then you exchange that Litecoin for whichever currency you want, guys. You want dollars, you get that. You want Bitcoin, you get that. Whichever currency, your choice. You just want to get that money in whichever currency they give you, okay? You don't care if they give you any currency out there. You can exchange that really easily, and that's all that you have to do, guys. And now just take a look at this job, audio transcript, guys. So this person is going to send you one audio file. He's going to send you that in MP3, for example, and all that you will have to do, you will have to type out what is being said in that audio, okay? And then you will get $25 for that. Now, I told you that these micro tasks are really good. They're really profitable, and there are a lot of them. A lot of these tasks here, so you can just go and you can see that there are a lot of these pages. So what you want to do is you want to involve yourself. Just go and do these jobs, guys. They're pretty easy. You can see you can search for them for a whole day and you will find something which is interesting to you. And of course, if you do these interesting jobs which are interesting to yourself, if you are passionate about certain jobs, well, it's going to be easier for you because when you do something that you like, time passes like crazy and it's going to be easy. So just take some action, guys, and I will catch you later.